Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something with you guys that I've seen happening to my signal lights. So they are blinking faster than they usually do. Alright, I don't know why. So I went to check it out and I want to share this with you guys. Alright guys, so looking closely, you will see how fast this indicator light is blinking. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you. It's the same thing. I turn the signal to the other side and it's the same thing. So there's something going on that I did not know of. But when I come to the front, I realized that the front ones weren't blinking. So I guess something is going on with the one at the front, which only led me to take a look inside of the engine room. Once there's no blinking light at the front and there's at the back, it simply means there's current flowing through the system. It's not reaching to the front, or the bulb are blown, or it's not connected. And in this case, I see where it is not connected. What I simply did was to connect the connector to the bulbs, right? And I'm gonna show you the difference when I do such thing. So the conclusion of this is that once there's a blown bulb or the connector is not connected, you're gonna find that the indicator or signal light is gonna blink faster than they usually do. So once there's a blown bulb or it's not connected, that will be the result for the blinking light or indicator light. Alright? So look guys, on the indicator light, it's blinking normal. Now that it has been connected, so there's no break in the system. I hope I have shed some light or some knowledge to you guys. Until then, please like, subscribe and comment.